Welcome to the React.js video training, and in this video training we are going to learn about React Sass. So what is Sass? Sass is a CSS preprocessor. Sass files are executed on the server and sends CSS to the browser. So can I use Sass? Yes. If you use the Create React app in your project, you can easily install and use Sass in your React projects. Install Sass by running this command in your terminal: npm install node-sass. Okay, so let's install node-sass. Install, I forgot to add I. Okay, we have installed node-sass 5 version and we are good to go. Create a Sass file. Let's create a Sass file the same way as you create CSS files, but Sass files have the file extension .scss. In Sass files you can use variables and other Sass functions. So let's create a Sass file. First I'm going to open our usual files. One is from our project and that is index.js file. The other one is in the public folder, that is index.html file. And let's create a Sass file. Okay, my sass dot scss, and in this Sass file going to define a variable called myColor :red and the h1 tag class and going to myColor. So we are assigning myColor variable to h1 tag and myColor is defined above as red. Save this file. Import the Sass file the same way as you imported a CSS file in index.js. So let's go. This is our index.js file and let's import the Sass file. My sass.scss. Okay, and okay, we just need to uncomment this and we just need to delete this, add a little style div. That's it. Let's start the application. Npm start. Okay, we have an error. It says node-sass version is incompatible with version 4. So there is some incompatibility issue. Let's see if we can resolve that. So I think the solution is to uninstall the node-sass module. And install the version 4 to overcome this issue that we are facing. Okay, let's run the application now, see if it works now. Okay, it works fine now. So we have successfully imported the sass file from there. Let me comment this and this. Okay, we have the red color now with the h1 tag. If we go to our sass file and change it to Dodger blue, save the file, now we have it in Dodger blue. We can also define another variable in sass. So I can say my paragraph color colon equal orange, and in the paragraph property I can assign this to my paragraph color orange. Save this file and let's check in the browser. We have an error, color colon my, okay, I was expect there is some error in the sass file. Okay, okay, this I added this here. Okay, now it should be fine. You see the add a little style paragraph tag is in. So this is how you can use sass in your React.js projects, and this is very useful and helpful when you're working with different templating engines and you want to create templates for different clients of the same application. I hope that you have understood the concept of sass and how to use it in React. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new topic in React.js.